Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we're building a Playmobil Farm Diorama. We have all of our buildings in place: a farm, a silo, a chicken house, and a dog house. Let's go ahead and add our farm animals. We'll start with our cows. This one is walking towards the grass. We'll put the bull over on the other side of the yard. Here is a brown and white cow. And here is her calf, a little brown and white calf. Right down here, they're making their way to the grass. Next, we have a herd of sheep. We'll put the sheep on the grass. This one has a brown face. Another type of sheep. Here's a little baby lamb. And another mother sheep with another little baby lamb. And another little lamb. Let's bring them some grass and some hay. We'll put some hay out for the cattle too. Here we have a donkey. The donkey will go in the barn. Here we have a horse. The horse will also go in the barn. Here is a goat. Put the goat right over here. And goat kids, little baby goats. Here's a brown one. And here are two white ones. Here are two more little lambs. We have a large flock of sheep. Here is a family of adorable pigs. This one has gray spots. We'll put it in the pen alongside of the barn, along with two adorable piglets. One with gray spots and one with brown spots. We'll feed the pigs some apples. Here is a scarecrow for the farm. We'll put the scarecrow next to the chicken coop. There are a lot of dogs on this farm. Here's a brown dog. Put this next to the dog house here. Here is an adorable little dachshund. Put him coming out of the dog house. And another brown dog. These three dogs will play together and help the farmer on the farm. Here we have two geese wandering through the farm, as well as two little rabbits. This one will be back here on the grass, and this one will be over here, behind the doghouse. Here's a pumpkin that's growing on the farm. We'll put it next to the scarecrow, along with some cabbage that's growing on the farm. We'll put it right down there. Next, we'll fill up the chicken house. We've got this rooster here. He's sitting in the chicken house. Here's a little brown hen who's going to sit on her eggs in the chicken coop. And we have two white chickens looking around for seeds out in the yard. Here is a black chicken looking around for seeds as well. And so many baby chicks walking through the yard with the other chickens looking for seeds. Look at all the baby chicks that will grow up one day to be chickens. Up on the top of the barn is a dove. And up in the barn loft, we'll store some hay. And another dove has come in to land. And two little mice are exploring the barn as well. We'll put one here and one here. Both of the mice are in the loft with the dove. Here is another dove. It's going to land right down here. Let's bring in the different farmers. Here's this farmer. He's checking on the cows. And here's this farmer. He's going to go check on the pigs over here and the goats. Here's a farmer. She's going to check on the chickens. And this farmer is checking on the sheep. This girl has a bottle she's going to feed the baby goats. And this boy is going to help his father look after the cows. They're gathering a lot of produce. Here are some potatoes. And here's a bucket of water that this farmer is bringing to the sheep. The farmer checking the chickens brought home some eggs. Here's another bag of feed for our barn to feed the animals. We'll bring some grass to the horse, as well as some grass for the donkey, and some grass for the goats and the bull over here, and some more veggies for the pigs. Let's get some grain from the silo to feed the chickens. Here we have corn for the chickens. We'll sprinkle some corn down for the chickens to find. And the rest of the corn we'll set out for some of the other animals to enjoy. So that is our farm animal diorama today. Look at all of the different farm animals: chickens, sheep, cows, a horse and a donkey, some geese, goats, pigs, some dogs, as well as some birds and 2 little mice in the top of the barn, as well as all the people on the farm doing the farm work. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look. I hope you enjoyed checking out our Playmobil Farm Diorama today and learning different farm animal names. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.